Have you ever wondered how flying went from a risky adventure to a normal part of daily life? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 incredible milestones in the evolution of commercial flights, and each one will blow your mind. Stick around till the end, because by the last point, you'll see just how far aviation has come and why the skies today look nothing like they did a century ago. Point 1. The first flights. It all started in 1903 with the Wright brothers. But the first scheduled commercial flight didn't happen until 1914, a tiny 23-mile route in Florida. Imagine paying to ride a plane that could barely carry one passenger safely. By the 1920s and 30s, airlines like KLM and Pan American began connecting cities across countries, slowly making air travel more than just a dream for the wealthy. Point 2. The Golden Age of Aviation. After World War II, planes like the Douglas DC-3 changed everything. They were safer, could carry more passengers, and offered a level of comfort that made flying exciting. By the 1950s, air travel was opening up to more people, and flying wasn't just a luxury anymore. It was an experience. Point 3. The jet age. In 1958, the Boeing 707 arrived, and everything changed. Crossing the Atlantic went from days to hours. Then came the Boeing 747, the queen of the skies, capable of carrying hundreds of passengers. This was the start of mass air travel, making long-haul flights affordable and connecting the world in ways never imagined before. Point 4. Modern aviation and beyond. Today, over 4 billion people fly every year. Aircraft are faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. With innovations like the Airbus A350, electric planes, and even future supersonic jets, commercial flights continue to evolve at an incredible pace. The sky is truly the limit. So next time you board a plane, remember, you're part of a journey that started over a century ago. If you love this breakdown of the 4 major milestones in commercial aviation, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned.